welcome to artistic documentation. In this video I will show you that how to design a glass morph design or presentation, and hereby you can see I just opened the PowerPoint, and hereby I have just used some downloaded picture. The theme is the recall of nature. So hereby I am just showing that how to design a cartoonish effect and want to give some animate in this tutorial. So you can see I have just choose the text with the shadow. So this is a type of water shadow text, and hereby you can see the recall of nature. So in our current world, the recall of nature is very well known objective, where the whole developed country is working for the recall of nature, because there is some special reasons for this purpose. And the main things is the glowing glacier, and the second things is the rising temperature and the less cultivation for the crops. So hereby I'm just using the template effect, and I just use a text message for this page. So when you're going to use the text, first you need to use the segment with these types of shape, like rectangular. This is not rectangular, it's a oblast rectangular. So after that I have just used the text. Hereby you can see the text, and the main things is the star. I am just use effect of a star. Hereby you can see. So many of us do not know about the glass morph design. This term is actually used for the website designer, and the glass morph is very special for the customer dealing website like e-commercial site. In my previous video, in my another channel, you can see the glass morph design with the website e-commercial site. These types of design I have shown there, and the name is Technoland Expert. So I will give you the link in the description, and hereby you can see the tutorial about the glass morph design with the e-commercial site. And this is really very responsive and important for the developer, and this one is used for the presentation. It's an animate presentation where you can get more reaction when you represent any document or any project. So you can use these types of terms for the animation purpose. This will reflect the audience interaction. So that's why I have just used these types of tutorial for the presentation purpose. I hope this will give you a significant changes for a presentation. So thanks for watching my video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and feel free to contact with us and stay with my rest of the video. So goodbye for now, but the video will be end after some time. So please continue the whole tutorial. You will get a good result, and it will look so good, and the animation is very creative.